Hi, welcome to this tutorial on setting up individual extras within the categories. Setting up individual extras allows you to cater for all non-accommodation type events. For example, pre-arrival flights, road transfers, and then activities while he's with you at the camp, and then the departure flights, departure transfers, etc. All of those can be set up as extras within your system and added to a reservation at the time of booking or during the client's stay at the lodge. Having all of these extras set up and added to reservations allows for accurate reporting, improved on-site logistics, and also peace of mind to the guest and the agent knowing that any special requests have been accommodated. Let's have a look where the individual extras are set up. Let's move along the module bar, Administration, Setup, Code Tables, Financials, and Extras. Click on Extras. Now I'll show you the setting up process for an individual extra. On the extra code page, extra category, we'll do a road transfer, travel transfer, and this particular case it'll be a road transfer JKIA road transfer JKIA to Wilson. If it's property specific, we can make that so, but that would mean that only people staying at that specific property may then book that extra. Moving on, service provider. If this was provided by a specific service provider, we could insert that now, meaning that every time it was used, that service provider would appear. ETA, ETD, we can set that up if we know that. And notes, we can enter. And internal memos, moving across to the right, non-chargeable, or if it is chargeable, we'll enter the commission rate. If it's not applicable, or if it is, we'll enter the correct amount, payable or receivable, the actual charge currency, what the amount is, and what the tax implications are. And assume they're VAT exempt. We can now go and save this road transfer. We can also now set up the return leg, and the system has cloning capabilities for that. Let's just go down and select that one again. Transfer comes up, and down at the bottom on the left we can click on Clone Extra. We would have to change the name, and the name would go back from JKIA and Wilson to the remaining details can be amended as required. Pricing remains the same, and now to clone that extra, click once again on the Clone Extra. And now we will have two extras set up. This allows for individual reporting. By having different categories and individual extras allows us to do reporting, and let's look at that quickly. Activities for a Robben Island property or transfers for that particular property. This would assist the lodge in managing the arrivals, departures and activities during guest stay at your properties. I hope you found this short tutorial on setting up individual extras and cloning useful.